Alborosie, tell the people. Ring the alarm. Wow. Another song is dying. Some boy better comfort me lyrically well. Strap me page you with the verse and the punchline a gunshot. Idiot song get clear clap. Clack 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 you dog crap. You jump out so just pack up and a walk out while your thing flap. You full of rave. If you no go through no gunshot, nothing can be reg. You push the bass way up but it no dead. How come you never get no dub from Alborosie? How come you never spend a little money for that dub? Another song is dying. Alborosie, tell the people. The alarm. Another song is crying. The alarm. Another song is dying. Whatever you need, no. The alarm. Another song is crying. Boy, well enough of them no ready. Them think them have it steady. Them feel so feed them think iPad and weddy. Excuse me, Mr. Boombo, you drunker than Fambo. The one your name dancing no pretty like tango. Nobody try disrespect King Selassie. A big man like you, they on the ground and I cry. Don't ask me why. Back up, bye bye. I saw the thing set in a dancehall style. The alarm, another song is dying. Alborosie, tell the people. The alarm, another song is crying. The alarm, another song is dying. Whatever you need, no. The alarm, another song is crying. Alborosie, tell the people. Boy, easy my selector, me no need permission. Let go the version, free up the dan. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, so the place a go ram. Another sound dead, just ring the alarm. Booyaka, booyaka, Alborosie inna the place. Booyaka, booyaka, if you make up your face. Booyaka, booyaka, Alborosie run the race. Booyaka, 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 boy.